Good morning. You're working on week 26, day 3. And it is a good day today. It's actually Friday when I'm recording, so Fridays are always a good day, right? Okay. Well, I always like to say today is a good day. Choose to be happy. So I choose to be happy today. I hope you are. All right, this day 3 looks nice and easy. We do the math here. We're writing 5 and 24/100ths in expanded form. And remember, when we write a number in an expanded form, we are just making it bigger, blowing it up. So I have 5 ones plus two tenths. That's in the tenths position. So I'm just going to write it as a tenth, and then 4/100ths. That's the 4/100ths place. So there's a 0 and a 4. And if I added all that up, it would equal 5 and 24/100ths. Okay. And then also, I could write it like this: 5 plus 2 tenths plus 4/100ths. And we saw that in our benchmark test. So this should be really familiar to you. And if I wanted to add all this up, here's something that I saw that we needed to talk about. You have a whole number 5. You got to put the decimal point after the 5. That's a whole number, and that represents a fractional part afterwards, okay? But we can't add them up just like that, otherwise your decimal is going to be in the wrong spot. You have to line up the decimals. 2 tenths would go there, and then 4/100ths would go here. And now we could add those up. We could just put zeros here as placeholders where the empty spots are, okay? And now we add up the hundredths. That's 4. Add up the tenths. That's 2. Put the decimal points there, and then bring down the 5. So this equals this, okay? All right, my favorite division problems. Remember when I did a nice big flip in our classroom? We can't just call it a flip. We have to use academic vocabulary because you're scholars, and we're actually going to be reciprocating. But because we have an obelisk here, we know the first number is a dividend. That's never going to change. So we just bring that down. It's a 3. And I know I have to convert that into a fraction. Well, I have a whole number, so I know I have to put a 1 under it. That's it. And if I flipped it, I could check it and show you that the 3, it still equals 3. Okay, now I'm going to convert this. I'm going to convert it because I need to convert it into a multiplication problem. I can't divide it just the way it is. And then I have to reciprocate the fraction. So the 1 comes under where it's a numerator becomes a denominator, and the 6, the denominator, becomes a numerator. I just flip it like that. And now I just do my easy math. I'm going to do the 1 times 1 in the denominator first because that's easy for me. That's a 1. Then I have 3 times 6, fast math, 18. I want to simplify this. I can leave it like this, however, it's not simple. It's not its simplest form. Essentially, all I'm saying is there's 18 wholes over 1 part. So I have to simplify it to 18 parts. Oops, I think I'm losing ink. All right, now I have write the inequality signs, and this is less than, greater than, or equal to make the statement true. So here I have 6 and 208 thousandths, and then here I have 62 and 81 thousandths. Well, I know right away just by looking at the whole numbers that 62 is greater than 6. So my inequality sign should be going towards the 62 and 81 thousandths, and that's just like an alligator. It's eating the big number, okay? And then I have blank hundreds equals 7 tens. Okay, well, 70 tens. For me, if I just multiply it like that, I get 0, 0, and then I put the 0 here, 1, 7, 0, 1, 7. Ooh, how many hundreds do I have then? I only have 7 hundreds, don't I? Did I do that right? I don't know. You guys tell me, did I do this right or wrong? How would you have done it? But I do know there's 770 tens. So help me. Help you. Help me. Really, no, help me. I don't know what I did wrong here. Can you help me? I hope you do. Thank you. Oops, and I just realized. Oh yeah, I was recording. Okay, I'm done. Bye.